For Father's Day, I've partnered with Pastene to create one of my favorite recipes of growing up. My father was a great cook, and one of my favorite dishes by him was pasta Fazool. And food is such a great way for me to remember my father, and pasta Fazool is something that we would have for days and days. You make one batch and it'll last you for days. I'm going to go through the recipe and make pasta Fazool for you today. And it's really, really simple. It's actually really affordable. Basically, a large can of pasta sauce or tomato sauce will do. Kind of the unique ingredient for pasta Fazool is a can of white kidney beans. And then ditalini pasta. So ditalini is a very small tubular pasta, but once you add sauce to it, it really expands up and it actually fills you up. So this small 16-ounce bag will actually really fill you up. Then we add an onion, some garlic, of course, and some pepper for seasoning and salt for seasoning if you need it. And we're gonna get underway. Pasta Fazool, my all-time favorite simple meal to make. Happy Father's Day, everyone. Have a great day. You deserve it.